Welcome back. In this video, we see the tech specs and features of ASUS Vivobook Go 14 14-inch laptop. Model number of the laptop is E1404FA NK3325WS. Let us see the features. This laptop comes with Ryzen 7000 series CPU, 14-inch display screen, slim and thin laptop, Full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, Nano Edge display screen, 83% screen to body ratio, 720 pixel high definition camera, PTS audio, image optimization, 180 degree lay flat hinge, manual camera shutter for privacy, Microsoft Office Home 2024 with lifetime validity. CPU of the laptop is AMD Ryzen 3 7320U. It has 4 cores, 8 threads. Base clock speed is 2.4 GHz. We can boost the clock speed to 4.1 GHz with AMD Max Boost. CPU has 4 MB L3 cache. To process graphics, there is an AMD integrated AMD Radeon 610M chipset which has 2 dedicated cores to process graphics. As a standard configuration, this laptop comes with 8GB LPDDR5 5500 MHz memory. This is onboard memory module. We will not be able to replace or upgrade. This laptop comes with 512GB M.2 NVMe SSD drive. Interface type is M.2 2280. Display of the laptop is 14-inch display screen, Full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, anti-glare display coating, 16:9 aspect ratio, Nano Edge slim bezel display, 83% screen to body ratio, 45% NTSC color gamut, 60 Hz of refresh rate, 250 nits for brightness supported. Camera of the laptop is 720 pixel high definition camera, manual camera privacy shutter, built-in array digital microphones, ASUS AI noise cancellation to control background noise. For audio output, we get Sonic Master Audio, built-in stereo speakers, built-in microphone, ASUS Audio Boost, Cortana voice recognition. For network, there is Realtek wireless LAN card chipset which support Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 version. Let us see the ports available on this laptop model. On the left, there is one USB 2.2 Type A port. On the right, there is one DC in port, one HDMI port, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A 5 Gbps speed port, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port, one headphone-earphone mic combo port. For input and keyboard, there is Precision Touchpad, ASUS ArgoSense keyboard, chiclet keyboard, number pad support. There is no backlight for this keyboard. Battery of the laptop is 3-cell 42 Wh lithium-ion polymer battery. We can charge the laptop battery for 60% in 49 minutes with ASUS Fast Charge. For power adapter, we get 45 watt round pin AC adapter. Input voltage is 100 volt to 240 volt AC. Output voltage is 19 volt DC and 2.37 amps. Security features include BIOS password protection, trusted platform module, mic mute key, manual camera shutter for webcam privacy. Operating system bundled is Windows 11 Home. ASUS recommends Windows 11 Professional for Business. Microsoft Office Home 2024 is included. By default, we get My ASUS app, Screen Expert and GlideX. Body of the laptop is polycarbonate or plastic body which weighs 1.38 kg and 17.9 mm thin. This laptop is tested for US military standard 810H. Color of the laptop is mixed black color. Let us see the upgrade options for this laptop model. Memory is soldered to the motherboard. We will not be able to upgrade or replace. For storage, we can replace 512 GB with 1 TB. 1 TB is maximum storage supported. Warranty of the laptop is 1 year international warranty. In the box, we get ASUS Vivobook 14-inch laptop, 45W AC adapter, user guide, offer included Microsoft 365 Basic with 100 GB cloud storage for 1 year, Office Home 2024 with lifetime validity. The ASUS Vivobook 14 is a thin and lightweight laptop, weighs just 1.38 kilograms, powered by AMD Ryzen 3 7320U with Radeon graphics, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast storage. The 14-inch Full HD anti-glare display screen offers clear visuals, while Windows 11 Home and Office 2024 provide productivity tools out of the box. It's highly portable, finished in mixed black, and ideal for students and professionals.